And off Auntie Rachel. Oh, did I drop your chocolate? Come on then, have a look. Wow! What do you think's inside there? Easter bunny biscuits? What do you say to Auntie Rachel for them?
Thank you.
Say it to Daddy.
Thank you.
And then this one as well. Aren't you just the luckiest boy? It's a big one. Ready? Ah, look. Let's shut him up. Who's that? Baby. Show Daddy. Show it to Daddy. Say, look, Daddy, he's the bunny with me.
Wow, we.
Oh, that's from Auntie Rich and Uncle Rich and Lucy. And Samuel. What do you say for that?
Thank you, Daddy.
No, thank you to Rachel.
We're blowing kisses to the camera. And we'll show Auntie Ray.
Well, kisses.
Oh, you want a bit more
No,
chocolate?
you want more chocolate.
Obviously.
Oh, it is Easter morning.
Right, put them ones there then.